Hi everyone, I'm here to teach you how to use your Scale Ninja workbook. So right now we're using the clarinet workbook and we've got a few things. First, we have the scale pattern. This shows you the key signature and all of the notes that you're going to play. And the arpeggio, which is do, mi, sol, mi, do. Then to complete the packet, we're going to write the letter names for each of our notes. So we're doing the A scale here. We'll write an A because that's what note it is. And then we're going to fill in the fingering for that note on all of the keys and do so for every note. Now, it's important to pay attention to your key signature so you know if a note is sharp or flat. So here, we don't want to just write C. We're going to write C sharp because there's a sharp in our key signature. And you'll continue on that way. Then, at the bottom, you have an upside down section so you can fold it over and memorize your key signature. And you'll just copy the key signature of your scale onto the staff. So let's pretend this is right side up. And we would put that this is A major for the clarinet. If we scroll back up, we can check out what key it is for everyone. This is concert G. Concert G. That means that's what concert instruments are playing, or what you would play on the piano. So we're going to write that this is the G concert scale. Then we'll copy the key signature. We have 3 sharps. So we'll put an F sharp at the top. We need a C sharp in the 3rd space. Bear with me, I know upside down is not the most convenient. And then we need a G sharp, which is going to sit on top of the staff on the treble clef. Then you can practice knowing how many sharps or flats are in your key signature and what your scale is for all of the other instruments. In order to earn your belt for Scale Ninja, you'll have to play the scale pattern and the arpeggio, have the finger chart filled out with your fingerings and the note names, and have the key signature section filled out.